You're allowed to pivot, to restart, to rebuild your product, your path, even your purpose. Where you begin doesn't define where you belong. Just ask these companies. Twitter started as a podcast platform. Netflix mailed DVDs. Slack was a failed video game. Nintendo made playing cards. None of them stayed in their lane. They listened, they adapted, they evolved. So what changed? They realized reinvention isn't a setback, it's a strategy. Here are 3 timeless reminders from their journeys. Failure isn't final. It's often the first draft of success. Your product is not your purpose. Stay committed to the mission, not the model. The detour might be the path. Don't be afraid to go off script. Here's what I believe. The best things often come after the plan falls apart, after the pivot, after the pause. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the courage to take the next step. So tell me, what's the detour you've been thinking about? Let's talk reinvention in the comments. Reshare this to encourage someone feeling stuck.